Building business credit from scratch, a quick guide. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe. Today we're diving into a powerful topic: how to build business credit from scratch. If you're an entrepreneur or aspiring business owner, this video is for you. Plus, I've got a secret car play later in the video, so make sure to stick around. First things first, get your EIN number from irs.gov. It's your business's social. Next, file your articles of incorporation with your Secretary of State or use incauthority.com. Skip all the upsells. This is basically creating a LLC for free, just paying for your state tax. Now choose between an LLC and a corporation. An LLC protects your personal assets, while a corporation is a separate legal entity that can make profits and be taxed. Getting a DUNS number. Get your DUNS number from dnb.com. This unique 9-digit ID is essential for business credit. Alright, we're almost at the finish line. Now it's time to finalize those legal and tax details. First, download, complete, and submit the necessary forms from your state's Secretary of State website. Then, don't forget to contact the IRS for your Employer Identification Number or EIN. These steps are crucial to ensure your business is recognized legally and for tax purposes. Dun & Bradstreet is crucial for government contracts and vendor credit. Understand the types of real business credit cards, credit lines, charge cards, and installment loans. Business credit scores depend on your payment schedule. Early payments boost your score, late payments hurt it. Paying ASAP, you are subject to 100 score. If you pay within 7 days, you are subject to 90 score. On-time payments, you are subject to 80 score. Paying 14 days beyond terms, subject to 70 score. Just don't go any further. As promised, here is how you can get up to $100,000 fast via auto loan. Great way to start a car rental fleet. The secret car play with Bank of America. Open a business checking account with $10,000. Then, after a month of letting the money sit in your account, apply for the business auto loan 4 times back-to-back. Answer minimal questions that they need. Wait for approval. You will then have to find a car and submit dealer paperwork through BOA portal. I hope you found this guide helpful. Building business credit is a step-by-step process. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to success. If you found this video valuable, please share it with 3 loved ones who could benefit from this information. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. I also have a link in the description, a special Juneteenth sale where you can dive deeper in the business credit world, only $19.